What's up, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Homeschool Dad Nutrition. All right, you got to have nutrition for the kids when they're being homeschooled. Okay, now the purpose of this smoothie, guys, the main purpose is to get these dark green leafy green vegetables in the system. We already know how kids don't like the dark green leafy green vegetables. All right, so you got to sneak it in. Let's sneak these greens inside of their smoothie. All right, this is the best way for them to eat greens. You know how you put the greens on the plate, try to get some salad dressing in there, and then they eat everything, and they don't eat the greens. They leave, they gone, right? They don't even eat the greens. It's just sitting there. And then you tell them, come back, hey, eat your greens. Nope, not this time. All you got to do is put this in the smoothie. They won't even taste it. I'm going to show you how. All right. So let's get started with this simple smoothie, all right? Very simple. Let me show you the ingredients. We got strawberries, whole strawberries, organic. Again, the spring mix is kale, shard, spinach right here, all right? Kale, shard, and spinach. Mango chips, frozen, and we got the organic blueberries, my favorite, all right? That's my favorite, and we have the organic mango juice, organic, okay? All right. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to pour the mango juice in here. Start off with not a lot, right? And then we close it. Secondly, we start putting the dark green leafy green vegetables inside of the smoothie. All right, man, how's everybody doing today? You guys doing good out there? Today is a great day. I always say that today is a great day. I tell my son all the time, today is a great day and your day will be great. All right? Let's get it, guys. You guys saying, why is he putting all those greens in there? That's a lot of greens to put in this. No, it's not really. Not really. You got this sweet mango, right? And then you also got the mango chunks along with the blueberries, and you got the strawberries, right? So it kind of balances it out. You probably won't taste it because he never tastes it. He'll let me know if he tastes it. I did also mention, guys, make sure you have ice, okay? If you don't have no ice and you make a smoothie and it's lukewarm, they're not going to drink it. I'm just going to say that right now. Make sure you have your ice, all right? Let's keep going. I notice I didn't cut the strawberries, right? You cut the stem off. It's green. it's a green vegetable, dark green, so that's why I did it. If y'all think I put the whole bag, I didn't. It wasn't that much in there, okay? So don't put the whole bag of blueberries in there. Just put, a couple of spoonfuls of blueberries in there. All right? let's taste it now, because it just, you know, just to get it. Let's see what it tastes like. All right. Guys, that's freaking delicious. That's delicious. That's good. I probably maybe a little bit more, but other than that, it's right on point. All right, right on point. This is great. This is this is awesome. All right. Alright guys, listen, this is how I do it. Okay, this is how I sneak the dark green, leafy green vegetables in the kids' system. Is, you know, it's very important to get these dark green, leafy green vegetables in the system, as you probably don't know. But a lot of these dark green, leafy green vegetables have copper in it. So you want to get that in their system. You guys got to look up the benefits of copper, of what it does to your body. You must have copper in your body, all right? Copper is a good conductor of what? Electricity, right? All right, guys, that's how you make the smoothie. All right, it's very simple. Like I said, just push the rewind button. If you want to do a recap, we can do a recap. I did the mango, the organic mango juice. I did the blueberries organic, spring mix, kale, shard, spinach right here. And I also did some chunks of mango frozen. All right, and it's just very simple. And water with ice. All right, that's how you can sneak these dark green leafy green vegetables inside of the kids' system. All right, it's very simple. It doesn't take long to do, and they won't taste it. They're also getting the other nutritions of we got the mango, and especially the brain food right here. This is the brain food right here of the planet. So make sure you get this in the kids' system. Like I told you, I've been doing this for over 15 years. I have three other kids along with Zakai. So I've been giving them smoothies before I've been giving Zakai smoothies. All right. So this is what we do, you know, just to get it in our system, you know, because sometimes you may not have time to eat a salad. I actually asked Zakai, I said, Zakai, I said, do you want a salad or do you want me to make you a smoothie with the greens in it? He said smoothie, right? Every since I've been making them smoothies with the greens in it, that's all he want. He don't have to have a salad. You got the greens. You got, you know, and the main part, guys, you have to understand is that the dark green leafy green vegetables, they're alive, right? For example, I had the organic collard greens, for example. You guys know that I'm known for making collard green smoothies. All right, so I have collard green. I had a stem twice. I got the stem, put it in water. It started growing the roots from the water. I just put it right there on the counter, right? Had a light right there, put on there, start growing roots. I put that thing outside and the roots are going all in the dirt, right? Now it's like a little plant, I got it. So you have to understand, it's alive. Even though you put it in the refrigerator, these dark green leafy green vegetables are alive. You wanna eat live stuff, right? Live stuff, things that when you cut into it and put it in water, it'll actually grow stems and then it'll grow another fruit, you know, or a tree or whatever. You want to eat stuff like that. Dark green leafy green vegetables, fruits, okay? I can't stress this enough, guys. Make sure that you guys balance out your diet. What I mean is this is actually balancing out your diet, all right? When you have this, because of some, you know, kids are gonna be kids, but see, I grew up in a world where everything was organic. Everything was organic. We can go home from school, and I know a lot of you guys can relate to this. We can come home from school, and there's fruit trees all over the place. I would go and I would pick an apple. I would go and I would pick an orange. They had lemon trees. You know what I'm saying? And we would come home, kumquats, plums, not them little plums, bro, the big plums. We'd come home, we eat them. On the way home, all that nutrition along with the sun while we're walking home, we're getting all that good nutrition. All right, so it's very important to eat those type of things. Eat those things. Make sure you always get it in your kids' diet. Okay? Don't go a day without giving them a fruit. Don't go a day without giving them a dark green leafy green vegetables. You know, it's so funny that me sometimes I'll take, if I forget, I will literally take this and eat it. I won't even make a smoothie. I'll just eat it because I know the nutritional value of this stuff. Vitamin A, K, vitamin B, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, all this stuff is in our vegetables and fruits. Okay, so please make sure that you get it in the kids' system. They will thank you for it. All right, I got to get back to homeschool. As you already know, while I'm doing this, I'm making the zakai. Now it's lunchtime, so I got the smoothie with it. All right, I'm gonna get back to zakai, and I will see you on the next one. I forgot to tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, tell a friend about me, please, because they can learn a lot from this channel, especially the nutrition part. Okay, the nutrition part can definitely learn. I'm gonna be making these smoothies all the time. All right, with that, I am the homeschool dad. I will see you on the next video.